Hey everybody, Jonathan here. I wanted to make this video because I purchased the Tesla brand all-weather trunk liner for my 2018 Tesla Model 3. Now, I recommend everybody get a trunk liner for all of your Teslas. Even if you haven't gotten your Tesla yet and you're waiting to get it, order this ahead of time so that you have it ready to go. And just a little backstory as to why I'm saying that. Me and my wife were on a road trip across the country. One of our bags that had all of our soaps, shampoos, and all that in it was in the trunk. One of the bottles wasn't closed all the way, and one of them leaked and got onto the fabric material in the trunk. Luckily, it was on the one that you can lift up and take out of the car because I was able to just rinse it off with the hose. It took like an hour to get all of the soap off this thing. And then you got to make sure you dry it properly because if you don't, you could possibly warp this thing also because it's made of like some kind of wood material and you don't want that to happen. So that's when I started thinking, you know what, just I wish I would have got a trunk liner a long time ago and, just to save all that hassle. I was looking for a trunk liner that fit perfectly, and I see that there's a lot of aftermarket ones that don't fit perfect or are really flimsy and cheap. And I would recommend you get the Tesla one because I've had great experience with their customer service. I bought the floor mats from Tesla's website, and that was when I first got my car, and they just barely started making the floor mats. And one of the Velcro pads that hold the mat to the ground started coming off, and I told Tesla customer service, and they're like, "That's okay. We'll send you the updated one." And it's made a better has a better glue that holds the entire thing onto the floor mat with the Velcro. So they sent me the whole new set and told me to mail back the other one, just throw it in the box, and they paid for all the shipping. You know, they gave me the shipping label and all that, and I just slapped it on and sent it back. The new ones have been great. Had them for like 3 years now, 4 years now, and no problem. And the floor mats, the all-weather floor mats, and the trunk liners and the front liners, they're all made by WeatherTech, and it tells you here on the side of the box the supplier is WeatherTech Direct, so you know it comes from WeatherTech, which makes great products. So I do recommend every Tesla owner get the trunk liners as soon as you get your car or even before you get your car, so that way you're all prepared and ready to go. Now I got this for 130 US dollars, and as of making this video in April 2023, you cannot buy it by itself anymore. It comes in a set with the trunk liner on the top, and it also comes with the rear well, the liner as well, to the one that goes on the bottom here. So I'm glad I was able to get this because I don't need the rear well one. I just wanted the top one, just because we go a lot of grocery shopping and I just don't want to have to deal with another spill. So you can see it does come in a box like this. It's rolled up. They do tell you on the Tesla website in the instruction section that you should unbox it as soon as you get it because, just so that way it can lay out easier and unravel itself and settle. It's been in the box for 3 weeks because I've been working so much and just haven't had time to make this video because I want to show everybody what to expect when you get it from Tesla. So you can see what I was using in the back here. In the meantime, I was just using one of those like beach mats just to help protect the fabric underneath, from in case anything else were to spill. And you can see it looks kind of stupid, so I wanted to get rid of that, but I wanted something in the meantime until I got this to protect the trunk, the fabric from any other spills that could happen. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So let's go ahead and open this up. See what it looks like. You can see it is rolled up in here. Okay, I'm just gonna take it out. Okay, this is what it looks like. You can see it is rolled up, and I can see that's why they tell you to take it out of the box right away so it doesn't get stuck like this. So let me see real quick. Yeah, hopefully it's okay. If not, I have to let them know, but let's see. It should be okay. Yeah, it looks good. So it does just need to settle for a little bit, but it will eventually like go down. Let me show you up close really quick. Alright, so this is what the trunk liner looks like. You can see some of the edges are a little bit folded up, but that's, that'll go down eventually over time, especially when it warms up. And you can see like there's already a little bit of debris in there, but that'll be so much easier to vacuum. Now, when you look at the bottom of the mat, you can see there's no Velcro or anything like that that's underneath it. Nothing to keep it, all the way down, but it's really firmly secure in the car. So they give you a little area here to access the little strap to pull this up. You get access to the pocket here. You can see this is what I'm talking about. This'll go down eventually. I'm not worried. You can always put something heavy on there just to keep it down, and it'll go down on its own. So I hope this video was helpful, just to help you with making a purchase decision. I just want to show people what it looks like versus the ones you're probably considering that are non-Tesla branded. And I hope this video was helpful. Hit that thumbs up if it was. And please subscribe to my channel because I just do upload random videos of anything to help you around your home, Tesla related, just any kind of video, something that will help people. That's what my channel is all about. So thanks again for watching and have a good one.